Meaning of geomagnetic.
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 Geomagnetic. Geomagnetic refers to the Earth's magnetic field, which is generated by the movement of molten iron within the planet's core. This field interacts with charged particles from the Sun, creating phenomena such as the aurora borealis. Geomagnetic measurements are important for navigation and geophysical research. They can also reveal information about the Earth's interior and its past magnetic history. Understanding geomagnetic variability is crucial for predicting space weather, which can impact communication systems, satellites, and electrical power grids. Overall, geomagnetism plays a significant role in both scientific research and everyday life.